Alright, I'm back again. Haven't done a video in a little bit. It's just dark, so I can't do much on the outside. But I think the last we did was drywall was finished and paint was started. So we're done painting. Those garage doors are up. Panels are pretty much done. Attic stairs are in. Hopefully get flooring this week. Big yard. This is the laundry room. Closet. I'm still working on getting lighting and everything, but we should have our shower starting hopefully this coming week. Everything is painted. Got all my can lights in. I still got some other regular fixtures still to put in. All the doors are up and painted. Of course, I'm still working on trimming out the pocket doors, but I've got one installed. I've got several lights up in here. We got ladders everywhere. This is the main living room. That's a dining room table light. I've still got one to hang there for the front door. We got that one hung. One's over the kitchen sink are hung. I still have to cut in the ones for my island, but I'm waiting for the island to get set. Got all the cabinets set. My hood is set. I just got to take the trim up. Pantry is set. I got to cut that out. We're going with the double oven there. Pantry cabinets are set. Of course, we're putting a little mini fridge type between them. And of course, something to be cautious of. It caught me off guard is, the pantry cabinet. I had to end up moving it in order to get these doors to open 90 degrees. They were hitting my trim. And where I did it like that, it was definitely hitting that, so something to keep in mind. So that's pretty much the gist of it. And of course the bedrooms are painted, but it's still dark back here. I still got a couple of pocket doors to hang for the bathroom. Take a peek, we do got our soffit lights hot and burning, and a cool little gas flame looking lights, but they're just electric bulbs. So that's it, everything painted. Floor's coming this week. And then after that, we'll be able to get plumbers in here to finish up and get an HVAC in here. Yeah, we got all these lights on. So, making progress. Hopefully next month we'll be close to finished. So stay tuned.